Today we're offloading IBMA. We got the PTO on, and this is probably one of the longest setups I've ever done because customer states he's got another truck that's going in there, so he provides his own hose, but I got my own. I got two, the 3-inch hose. Wait, 3 to 2. Two 3-inch hoses to 2-inch to set up right there. And then from their setup, we got 2 inches. We got 1, 2, 3 hoses. With these ISO containers, it's kind of difficult. It's not like a regular tanker that you can just offload it through the belly or through the rear. Got to bring it all the way to the pump. This goes in, this goes out. That's our setup right there for today. And we just keep an eye on our gauge. It's moving along nicely.